Okay, welcome everyone. I realized after the fact last time I didn't show y'all the other side of our platform, so I'm hoping it does a little more illumination than that. Of course, I don't have my. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it's supposed to be a warm glow, but let's turn that off so I don't forget about it and drain the batteries over the course of the time. But now we're actually setting this aside again for a second, and we're working on, I believe it's what they call it in the movie, a trolley, a luggage trolley. So what this one appears to be on, yeah, there we go. H13 times 2. Oops. 13 times 2. And H11 times 2, you'd think they'd be, yeah, there they are, right next door. And H12. Sorry, tilt my camera back up a little bit more, I forgot. Alright, let's get our little round pieces here, so I'm going to use actual sandpaper out for this one. And it looks like I pulled a bonus point for a bonus section for. Don't want to mess with that one too much. This had a little extra on it. Oh. The side of the sandpaper will work better. Oh yeah, one more. And we will. Alright. Now we go pretty straightforward. There's printing up on the what would be the axles. And just I didn't do that one either. Okay. Alright, so push that one all the way in. Whoop. This one all the way in. Put our wheels on there. I'm not sure how effective those wheels would be in real life, but then H8 times 2. They should be there. They are little small ones there. Yeah. Ooh, never put my knife away. I'll do that. You guys go in there. This joint. Do it in here. There's our luggage trolley. And now, next spot's gonna be some glue in. It says. All right. B. 33 and 34, which we should be getting down to narrow. Okay, which one's which? Get my. Okay. Okay, so that's 28. It's 30, so it's 33 and 34. So these two, yeah. Centerpiece is H24, gear H, yeah. Oops. There you are, 24. the old emery board for this one because those are all fairly smooth sides. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but the my computer is currently processing the last video, and that fan is soaring. Okay, I see why it's got to be. Oh, guess I need to do the insides too. Should be. Oh, actually, it's done processing. Okay, so we want this on the front. Little design. And okay. It is cooling down. It's just making all the noise in the world to do it. I think I'm going. This one cool. This one cool. Okay. This one. Yeah, this one goes at the back. Okay. I'm gonna roll the dice and try and glue these and keep going. So that middle front. Yeah, this one on the inside. Okay, so dab of glue. I always forget to take the old glue off. There it went. Now dab of glue. And then another dab of glue. Touch on there. And this one, for top and bottom. Now they're symmetrical on the. And just rub them around and slide them together. And this piece there. And we can just line them up when they're on there. Yeah. Okay. Now, get to build the second piece of flickage. So B30 and B28. So I spotted that one of those. Yeah, I spotted those earlier. 30, 28, and an extra piece. Sanding on that one. And a little sanding on this one. Yep. And then the center is H1. Which is right there. I just saw that piece of H2. I'm wondering what this turned out to be. Okay, sanding on you. And this is our front, and which the side won't the glue on. That doesn't matter because it's gonna be sandwiched. Okay, so touch. Touch, touch, fill it up, and there, swoosh it all around a little bit, and make sure we get the right side front. Oh yeah, it's angled. Yeah, it's not working as good as the last one. Oh, I'm angling it the wrong way. And I just broke. What'd I break? Made it sound like I broke something. I don't think I did. And line those bad boys up. Huh. No, it made the nasty sound, but it didn't. I don't notice any Okay. Just enough to get your heart rate up. Okay. Set these aside, and what's next? Oh, so we get to put that on next. Okay. Goes back here. The wheels. That's why those wheels wouldn't. That looks like it'd work better now. Alright. Nice. And then what are we building next? Chair, bench, little doodad. So A28 and 27. Let's move my glue stick pad down here. B. Your A. Alright, there we go. 27 and 28. Two different numbers on those? I guess they are. Okay. And these are fragile enough where I'm not even going to attempt to sand them. Well, I guess I can do the bottom, even though it doesn't. It's one of those things that I know it's there, but nobody else ever will. But now it's not. Okay, so 28 goes to that, which shouldn't really matter. And B 26. 26. Not many pieces left on this one. There you are. Now, 27. Where's this going to be? Nah, that's bad too. Alright. For the moment, I'm leaving this center section in just to get a little more support in there. I'll knock it out when I get ready to put it on the platform, which there's no back to this much. Okay, there it is. B35. Is that right? Seems like she. No, that's. Yeah, okay, it does have the. Barely see it, but there is the detail of the bench back on there. I guess it's. Now I see it, it's a glue thing. It goes. Supposed to squeeze them in between the middle there. Okay. Okay, let me. Just use the excess glue on the ends here. Okay, it does actually have a little clamp action on it there. That glue will dry clear-ish. Get it to stay. I'm assuming the next step is just drop it into the slots. Yes, it is. Forward a little bit. Okay. All right. Now, what's our next step? Where are we at? 15 minutes-ish. Okay. That doesn't look like it's gonna. Should be able to get. Yeah, I'll get this. I'll finish up this step. This is actually step 17 out of. I think it was 24. This shouldn't take too awful long, so we'll knock it out right quick. So E4 and H2. So that H2, the piece I noticed earlier. I was wondering what it would be. Okay. Oops. Put you back there. And E. Where are you? E. Oh, E's back here. Okay. That's you right there. Yeah, E4. Hmm. All right. Okay. Oh, it's going to be a glue thing, isn't it? Yep, okay. Very gently on these fragile little doodads. Okay. Get these back out. And, yep, got the detail on one side, so make sure and use that side to... And this is, ooh, just the teeniest bit of glue. I hope. Yep. Up a little bit. Alright, we got us a little mouse hole, maybe a mouse house, I guess. Alright, and this supposedly snaps on, or not snaps on, presses on. Oh, bring you back up. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, there. And again here. Nope. Let's try that one again. Maybe do this one first. And this one. Got to move my mouse hole. Okay. And then reposition this bad boy again. Handy dandy tweezers as usual. Okay, that's you situated, you situated. Alright. I think I'm gonna stop now and let that glue set in. Just maybe if I don't babble on too long here and get under 20 minutes. I think it's, as you know, starting to see more train station like stuff now, so that's pretty cool. Whoop, get back on there. And yeah, not on the tracks, are you? Okay, there it is. So it's gonna, and I guess it's gonna, ooh, probably back here this way a little bit so I can get a little, see all the details and things. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.